Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to make just pinto beans and eggs with some pico. Has some cheese in it and some salsa. It's very easy to make. It's kind of one of those recipes like grandma used to make. I mean, this is one of those just classic, simple. You can make it for breakfast, make it for dinner. It's kind of like making poached eggs, just in the bean salsa cheese mixture. So this is gonna cook, you can see it a little better now, for about 3 more minutes. I'm gonna put a lid on this. My lid doesn't fit because this pan doesn't have a lid, but I use this lid on everything and it's fine. All right, so about 3 minutes from now, we're gonna have our meal. You can see here how the eggs have gotten white on top. That shows me that they're just about done. Okay, I want you to see how pretty these are. See? It's so basic, but oh, this is so yummy. If you wanted to put it over rice, you could. I just like it like this. I'm gonna add